Welcome to Balance Academy Junior. If you're going to join us for some exercises, make sure to check with your parents or guardian first. Hello, boys and girls! I'm Hannah the Hippo from Balance Academy Junior. Each day, we're going to try a new exercise, which will be a fun way to help you improve your coordination and overall confidence. In each video, we will introduce 3 to 4 fun moves that we can all do together. For today's exercise, we're going to raise our knees, clap our hands, and shuffle from side to side. Let's begin by raising our knees as high up as they can go. Left, right, left, right. Keep going, you're doing great. Now, as you're raising your knees, I want you to begin clapping your hands like this. Clap, 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 knee, knee, knee. Okay, this is fun. For the last part, I want you to begin shuffling from side to side. Let's start shuffling all the way to the right. Now all the way to the left. Keep your knees going up and down. Don't forget to keep clapping. And let's go from right to left and left to right. All right, that was fun! How high were you able to shuffle from side to side? You can keep practicing and see if you can improve. I hope you had fun with today's exercise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, this is Hannah the Hippo saying see you next time.